Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to use AZInsight Advanced, a powerful tool that helps Amazon sellers manage their leads and employees. AZInsight Advanced is a Chrome extension that integrates with Google Sheets, allowing you to easily find and track profitable products and hire and train virtual assistants. In this video, I will cover how to set up Google Sheets with AZInsight Advanced, how to export products to the Sheets, and how to review and give feedback to the employees. Let's get started. The first step is to create a Google account for your business if you don't have one already. This will allow you to use Google Sheets, a free online spreadsheet application that works well with AZInsight Advanced. Once you have a Google account, you need to connect it to AZInsight Advanced. To do this, go to the AZInsight Advanced extension, click on the Settings icon, and then click on Export Configuration. Here, you can sign in with your Google account and grant permission to AZInsight Advanced to access your sheet. Next, you need to create a sheet for each employee that you want to assign leads to. You can do this by creating a new sheet directly on Google Sheets. Make sure to give each sheet a descriptive title, such as the employee's name or role. For example, I have created a sheet for John, who is my product researcher. Now, you need to choose the fields and headers for the sheet. These are the columns that will store the information about the products that you export from AZInsight Advanced. You can customize the fields and headers according to your preferences, but I recommend using the following ones. AZIn. This is the unique identifier for each product on Amazon. It will help you track the product and link it to the Amazon listing. By cost. This is the price that you pay to source the product from the supplier. It will help you calculate your profit margin and ROI. Sell price. This is the price that you sell the product for on Amazon. It will help you estimate your revenue and fees. Notes. This is where you can add any additional information or comments about the product, such as the category, rank, reviews, or features. Source URL. This is the link to the website where you found the product. It will help you verify the product details and availability. To add these fields and headers to the sheet, you need to use the Copy Headers to Clipboard function on the AZInsight Advanced Export profile. To do this, click on the Copy Headers to Clipboard button, select the sheet that you want to write to, and then paste your headers. This will automatically fill in the headers on the sheet. And to test the connection between AZInsight Advanced and Google Sheets, click the Copy to Google Sheet button. If everything is working properly, you should see a message saying you've copied this AZIn data to your Google spreadsheet. Now that you have set up your Google Sheets with AZInsight Advanced, you are ready to export products to the Sheets. To do this, you need to use the AZInsight Advanced Chrome extension, which you can install from the Chrome Web Store. Once you have installed the extension, you can use it to find products on any website that sells products that are also available on Amazon, such as Walmart, Target, or AliExpress. You can use the AZInsight Advanced extension to check the product's metrics, such as the sales rank, reviews, price history, fees, and profit calculator. Once you have found a product that you're interested in, you need to add some information to the extension before exporting it to the sheet. You need to add the buy cost, which is the price that you pay to source the product from the website. You also need to add the sell price, which is the price that you sell the product for on Amazon. You can use the profit calculator on the extension to find the optimal sale price that maximizes your profit margin and ROI. You can also add a note where you can write any additional information or comments about the product. Finally, you need to add the source URL, which is the link to the website where you found the product. You can copy and paste the URL from your browser. The last step is to review and give feedback to the employees based on the products that they have exported to the Sheets. To do this, you need to open Google Sheets and check the exported products. You can access the Sheets from your Google Drive. On the sheet, you will see the information about the products, such as the AZIn, buy cost, sell price, note, and source URL. You can use this information to analyze the products and compare them with the Amazon listing. To open the Amazon listing, just click on the AZIn on the sheet, and it will take you to the product page on Amazon. Here, you can check the product's details, such as the title, description, images, features, and reviews. You can also use the AZInsight Advanced extension to check the product's metrics, such as the sales rank, price history, fees, and profit calculator. To review the products, you need to create an extra section on the sheet for notes. You can use this section to mark the products as green or red, depending on whether they are good or bad leads. You can also write some comments to explain your reasoning and give feedback to the employees. By reviewing and giving feedback to the employees, you can help them improve their performance and learn from their mistakes. You can use this information to reward or coach your employees and optimize your business. That's it for this video. I hope you learned how to use AZInsight Advanced, a tool that helps Amazon sellers manage their leads and employees. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thank you for watching and happy selling.